Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about blocks. Welcome again, and now here we are defining this blocks. Okay, so the definition says that close nesting of the blocks, and this I described earlier, that this opening bracket and the closing bracket is the block. Okay, so the delimiter mark for beginning and end of the block. Okay, so the delimiter mark for the beginning of the block is in case of C language is this opening bracket, and the end of the block is this closing bracket. While the algol tradition is to use begin and end. Okay, so here this is one example of the creation of the block. So that is you're saying that begin and end. So this also defines one single block, either independent of each other or nested inside each other. So delimiters are, that will define that I have this either, let's say, this blockage as begin and end, and another blockage as let's say blockage, not blockage is not the right term, another block as begin and end, either independent or something like this, that there is a begin and then again there is a begin, then there is the end of the second begin and there is the end of the first begin. So either they are nested within each other or they are independent of each other. Okay, so that is a block, and now this will play a very important role in case of scoping role. Okay, so this block plays very important role in case of scoping. Okay, so that's all for this. Thank you.